Willie Lee HM Power Wash with a motto, years of stains just to wash away. And folks be hitting me up all the time like, Willie Lee, it ain't really what the shirt say. Just because you put the motto on a t-shirt don't mean y'all really live up to it, right? So check this out. I say we HM Power Wash, right? You see this pillar right here? The HM will show you what it used to look like. Like, follow, share, subscribe. All right, so we over here at the DeSoto Town Center Apartments. As you can see, it was quite busy out here. Cars was coming left and right. People were stopping, taking pictures, asking me about the work. And as you can see, we put that HM Power Wash on everything, right? So now we got to clean it up though, right? Show you what clean look like. So we put down some pre-treatment, some bleach, degreasers, all that good stuff. Lots of chemicals. And as you can see on the darkest areas, a lot of dirt and grime and mold. But we was able to push through and get it looking spick and span. So have been years since these things have been cleaned. That was the first treatment ever. It's looking pretty good so far, guys. And after that, we did the staircases, right? So with these staircases, went through there, had to again put down a lot of chemicals, some fresheners, some bleaches, all kind of things to get this thing right. But it was quite filthy in there, right? So a lot of feces, urine, food. Got it up though. Went over to the DeSoto Police Department, and much love to the DeSoto Police Department as well. We got a chance to go through there, clean up their front decal, their front-facing walls. We did 20 hours in total on the police department. This will be seasonal work, of course. So 20 hours now, 20 hours in the summer, 20 hours in the fall, 20 hours in the winter, right? So this was the first 20 hours, and we got a lot accomplished over there. So much videos on the way for that as well. And on these tall buildings, right? We get the extender out. As you can see, I'm standing on a pillar. Don't try this at home, but I was able to make it work. I do my own stunts, of course, and got the extender out. Got to the top of the walls, had it looking spick and span. And for these bottom walls, y'all know how much I love doing these vertical exterior cleanings, but we was able to make it look really like new. Now, a lot of people don't notice dirty concrete like I do, but I was really hoping that this client was able to see this and see the difference and was happy with the results, right? Got some guys out there. A couple of the fellas, they got their own power washing equipment. Let them get out there and get some work in. Dividing the pie. Like, the more you can divide the pie, the better you get some good workers, right? So we got some guys out there, gave them a shot as well. And as you can see, you know, just demonstrating again on this exterior cleaning. Really got out. Really, you know, did a lot of sidewalks, concrete, walkways. We do dumpster areas. So HM Power Wash, motto, years of stain just to wash away. Make sure you check us out on all your social media.